Can't eat your thing. Just need a little. I've never done this stuff. Just wing it. How I want to do. This is the same as white glue, right?
Yep, yep. And we got white glue as well.
Oh.
So actually, we just used a ton of it.
I see
Right over
some
here,
right
so
there.
we got, and yeah, use this stuff. So, here, we got the little one.
That's
But
fine.
then take the Mongo one.
And fill it up.
When you're ready. There you go, there's your.
Yeah. All right. I'll fill it up.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Cool.
Yeah, I still like the white glue the best.
Kevin, you're still getting a lot of hits on the internet thing.
That's like a little.
Are those locomotives wheels slipping? I think these Southern Pacific locomotives wheels are slipping.
10,000 views.
Why even?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, here comes a Metra coming out of the tunnel.
Oh yeah.
Right across the bridge, right past the lighthouse and the foghorn.
There you go. Go for it.
Yeah, here they come.
There's supposed to be another wheel.
Man, it keeps on shorting out with that.
So you wanna see what I'm doing? Yeah, just, I'm gonna be there in a second.
Love that beacon on that. Pretty cool. So he has like going around. Speed rotation is the real thing.
Oh man. It's going. Man, are they sure strong enough? They are a bit struggling a little. Ah, did it again. Lord, ooh, the couplers aren't leveled right.
What do you got? Some figures and some things.
Yeah, put that guy there. I put like the little photo of their beach. A little, I guess they could have a whole bunch of figures that. Yeah. I put this little boat right here. These guys are hanging out here. That's their boat. Oh, okay. That's what I would do.
Yeah. Especially over by the new beach, I think.
That's what we need.
Yeah, that's
Trying
right.
to even it out. No judging.
That's right.
You can't beat them, join them.
That's right. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, that could be an issue. What's that? Oh, these are fish.
I could put my Speedo on and get over there and empty the beach.
Or you could turn heads and make new friends. And be like, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
That failed.
No, I don't think that's gonna happen.
That plan failed. Oh well, you don't know until you try.
Right.
Could have been to a lot of new beaches, one day I walked past, people on there, you don't wanna see them there.
Yeah. Well, it was funny when we were over in France on our last cruise, we were going to Cannes, you know, where they have that film festival or whatever, you know, we're driving along and I'm looking out and I'm looking at the boats, looking at the architecture of these buildings and stuff. So we get to the place where we're down there and sit down for lunch. My friend goes, no, and I was too busy looking at boats and architecture and you know. My wife, yeah, my wife and Bob's wife and Bob, they all saw everything, you know, and I'm sitting there like, yeah, I wasn't expecting that, you know, so.
Yeah.
The next question I'd be like, did I miss anything?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Is it one of those where you're like, oh, I shouldn't have looked, it was that bad? Or
But
was it
maybe-
worth
Maybe
it?
the architecture was better. Or,
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
Sometimes you want to scrub your eyes, but I can't believe I just saw that.
Brian leave already?
I don't know.
Maybe a box full of golden motors and rovers. He's got it. Oh, what?
Oh, Jeremy's here actually.
Hi, Jeremy.
Hey, Jeremy.
Slow.
Okay.
And my leg hurts from my ankle up to here.
And Jeremy's
I
got.
can't lay on my back very long. I have to lay on my side, and then that hurts. I don't know what's going on. I had them take an X-ray, and they said the bones, everything's good,
Everything looks good.
but for some reason, there's
Oh boy.
discomfort when I lay on my back. They said I got a lot of calcification going on.
Hmm. Now that'll happen.
Yeah. How was California?
Really fun.
Good. Glad you made it safe.
It was funny when I had some x-rays for my back. My back was hurting a lot. Because I saw some calcification in my thoracic, you know, right up in there. And, did you break some vertebrae? And I go, I didn't know it at the time. I said, but I know exactly when that happened. I took our kids, a long time ago, we went up above Idaho City, went tubing, sledding, and on our plastic sleds and stuff. That was the last run. And of course it was sunny out, so it was getting icier and icier, you know. So I got in there and I tucked my hands and everything, and I'm going down the sill and everything, and I caught some air, and it probably would have been okay if I'd have landed on a little bit of a slope, but I landed flat, bam. Son of a gun, you would not believe how bad that hurt. The kids had to pull me over to the car in the slip, you know, and I never did go in to get it checked out, but it turns out that I must have broken some vertebrae in there, but I felt like my whole, like, guts and everything just were ruptured, you know, my liver, my spleen.
Yeah.
Hurts so bad.
Yeah, calcification. No fun.
Netra running around.
size. That would not be good.
Here it goes right across the bridge.
Well, athletes, they really, I mean, they've got the best trainer and everything, you know, training them back, but like, Corey's Kimball was the trainer for the 49ers, but it's not good.
Yeah.
And you're never, probably never the same player.
No, and it's Rogers too, the quarterback.
Yeah, Aaron Rodgers?
Yeah.
There he goes. There's Jeremy getting his Union Pacific.
Hey, Ron.
How's things going at the airport?
Still going. Still see Keith almost every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's funny. That cracks me up. He comes in and goes,
Oh.
man, I gotta tell you something. You know how he has a story behind
Have a
it.
connection.
And I'm sorry, not Keith, Steve.
Yeah.
Steve, I'm sorry. Keith's the other guy he works with. But yeah, I was talking about the other day. I mean, sometimes he
You
talks
see
about.
Lance Johnson too?
Yep. I see him every once in a while. I think Lance works. I don't see him as much because the week I work, that my shift. I see him more. Yeah, I know. He said, I guess when he called you, you guys like connected. You know, you helped him move or something. Did you got there first?
I was there first.
And then he rolled in, found out you live in the same area, and then didn't he hit you up? And you helped him move or
Not really.
something?